What if you never had to copy your text, paste it into a chatbot, wait, then paste it back again?
Hey, welcome back. If your daily writing routine looks like this, type a message, highlight it, copy it, switch tabs, paste it into an AI chat window, wait for a response, copy that, switch back and paste it again, you are wasting an absurd amount of time every single day.
Today I'm reviewing Keyshift AI, a tool that gets rid of that entire loop by putting AI directly inside whatever app you're already typing in. No new tab, no copy paste, no switching windows. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, walk through every feature, break down the pricing, and give you my honest take on whether it's worth grabbing. And stick around because at the end I'll tell you exactly where to find the link to this deal. So here's the core idea behind Keyshift AI. It installs on Windows or Mac and runs quietly in the background. And it works inside literally any app where you can type. Slack, Gmail, Notion, Google Docs, Discord, your CRM, whatever. The simplest way to use it is almost stupidly easy. You just type the word Keyshift. Follow it with an instruction like, make this sound more professional, or translate this to Spanish, and tap the spacebar twice. Your text rewrites itself right there in the same box. No pop-up, no separate window, nothing to copy. It just happens exactly where your cursor already is. That one feature alone solves a problem a lot of people don't even realize is costing them time. The constant tab switching every time you want AI's help with a sentence. But there's more going on here. There's a quick actions menu you can pull up with a keyboard shortcut from inside any app. It opens a small floating editor right on top of whatever you're working in, so you never actually lose your place. From there you can pick a one-click action or type a custom instruction if none of the defaults fit what you need. And before anything replaces your original text, you get a preview window, so you're never surprised by what gets inserted. If you'd rather not type at all, there's a voice mode. You just dictate what you want, summarize this and turn it into 3 bullet points, and Keyshift converts your speech into an actual AI action in seconds. Then drops the result right where you were typing, or lets you copy it elsewhere. That's genuinely useful if you're the type of person who thinks faster than you type, or if you're drafting something while doing something else with your hands. Now here's the feature that actually impressed me the most. Workflows. Instead of running one AI action at a time, you can chain multiple steps together into a single command. The example they give is a good one. You paste in raw, messy meeting notes, and in one run, it summarizes them, pulls out the action items, and drafts a ready-to-send follow-up email, all in a single pass. You can build your own custom workflows too. So if you constantly translate something and then rewrite it as a social post, you can chain exactly that sequence and run it anytime from the quick actions panel. A few more features worth knowing about. There's a screenshot to text tool. So if you're staring at a locked PDF, a slide deck, or a screenshot someone sent you in Slack, you can pull the text out and immediately rewrite or translate it. There's live translate, where you just type in your own language anywhere on your machine, tap space twice, and it swaps in the translated version. You can also set a custom AI prompt once to lock in your voice, tone, and style, so you're not re-explaining your preferences every single time you use it. And if you've got prompts you use constantly, you can save them as custom actions or custom modes with their own dedicated shortcut, basically turning your favorite prompt into a single keystroke. For anyone who cares about which AI model is doing the work, Keyshift isn't locked to just one provider. You can run it on OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or through OpenRouter. And if privacy is a concern, there's an offline mode where you can point Keyshift at a local or self-hosted model. Let's talk about who built this, because it actually explains a lot about why it works the way it does. The founder is a software engineer who isn't a native English speaker, and he built this tool originally just for himself to stop second guessing whether his messages to colleagues sounded professional. That personal use case is honestly baked into the product. It's not trying to be a generic AI chatbot. It's built specifically to sit invisibly inside your existing writing habits. Now, pricing. Keyshift AI uses a credit-based system, and here's the important part. This isn't a subscription. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access, with your credit allowance refreshing every month depending on the tier you choose. There are 5 tiers to pick from. To put credits in perspective, a quick message fix costs about 1 credit. Rewriting a full email runs around 2, and a multi-step workflow gets billed per step. And here's a detail worth knowing. If you plug in your own API key from your AI provider of choice, those actions cost 0 credits on every single tier. There's also a 60-day refund window, so you've got real time to test it. Now, let's be fair and balanced here. This is a newer product from a small team.
So it doesn't have years of track record yet. And it runs on credits rather than being fully unlimited unless you bring your own API key. So who's this actually for? If you're a content creator drafting captions, a copywriter polishing client work, a non-native English speaker who wants every message to sound clean, or a solopreneur who's writing emails all day, this is going to save you real time. If you barely write anything outside of the occasional email, you probably won't get your money's worth. But if writing is a constant part of your workday, this is worth a serious look. Alright, here's what I need from you. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Hit subscribe and follow Reviewary for the next deal breakdown. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on custom workflows, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.